Hello everyone, welcome to another really interesting tutorial video. Now in today's video, I will show you how to create and build an AI voice agent. Now for this, we will use Vapi AI. This is basically the tool that I'm using actively right now to build and basically test AI voice agents. Now, obviously you can check out and get $10 free credits for calling down below, so you can try this out for completely free. And yeah, again, it's called vapi.ai, or check it out in the description. Let's get to the dashboard. So once you log in Vapi AI, you will be able to go to the assistants, and from here you will be able to create an assistant. Now here we're going to be creating an AI voice agent or assistant, how they like to call it. So if you hear AI phone caller, AI assistant, AI agent, these are all the same things. So you can basically go here and create an assistant based on the templates they provided to you. So let's say if I want to go and if I want to create a customer support assistant or AI voice agent, I can go here and click customer support. So this will be a template for customer support. If I want something else, I can click blank. However, I always like to start from something, right? I don't like to start from scratch, so I'll just go here and create an assistant right here. Now, once you create an assistant, you will see here that the name is Ava, the name of the assistant is Ava, and then Sarah is basically the voice behind. Here we can talk with Ava, but before we actually talk with Ava, we want to go here and we want to adjust a couple of things. Now, first thing is the cost. Now, cost is associated on multiple different providers. So you have transcription providers, you have models such as OpenAI. It's a model that Vapi AI is using. 11 Labs, Web. So these are all right here, as you can see. And you can see each provider has a cost associated with it that goes in the total cost per minute. Latency is just the delay. You can ignore this. Mode, you have Web, Twilio, Vonage. However, Web is pretty much good for now. If you go to the model, the most important part is this right here. The first message that the AI voice agent will tell you when you call them or when they call you. And the second thing is the system prompt. Now, the system prompt needs to be adjusted to what you are expecting from an AI voice agent. So if you are expecting this AI voice agent to have a certain, certain things or to answer certain questions, you can go here and you can basically add that in training instructions, as you can see right here. So as you can see, for example, she emphasizes the importance of clear, empathetic communication, tailored to the context of each interaction. So obviously the prompt will never be perfect right from the get-go. You will need to test it. You will need to talk with your bot, ask a really deep questions in order to kind of understand what the bot is struggling with. Here you can see the model. Let's say if we go with this model, which is a better model, we will have an increase for like, I would say $0.2. If we go to the knowledge base, we can select the file, so we can add a new file like a text file where we have a knowledge base. This will make the bot even better in terms of the memory and everything. Temperature, the higher the temperature is, the more unique the bot will talk to you. And then detect emotion. This is great because as you can see, enable this property to detect user emotions such as anger, joy, etc. So this just gives additional context to the bot. Transcriber, this is just the model that you're going to use for transcribing. Voice is the voice that we're using. So let's say if we are, I know there is a New York voice here, New York. So as you can see, we can use like Tony, King of New York. So if you're in New York, if you're selling real estate, this would be like really funny thing to implement because it will be like a New York type voice. Functions, you have functions here, advanced. You can also change the audio recording if you don't want to do it, or if you want to do it. If you want to comply with HIPAA, you can do that as well. Analysis, here you can just see the analysis. Now once you're done, you can hit publish. And one thing that I have to kind of note here is phone numbers. In order for this to work, you will need to import phone numbers from Twilio. You will need to add your Twilio account SID and authentication token. Now we've made a lot of tutorials on this, so make sure to check that out on our channel. But yeah, once you go to assistants, you can actually talk with your assistant. So let's try to talk with our assistant here. So it's connecting to the call right now, and we'll need to just, okay.
Hello, this is Ava. How may I assist you today?
Hey Ava, how are you doing? Hey Ava, how are you doing?
Hello. Hello. I'm here and ready to help you. How can I assist you today?
So basically, I'm looking for real estate in New York. Can you help me out with that?
Yes, I'm here to help. It sounds like you're looking for real estate in New York. Can you please provide more details about what you...
So actually, this call is so funny, or this voice is so funny. Usually, we said here that it's called Ava, and he is male. He's not actually a female. So yeah, that's kind of the thing that you could potentially, obviously, change. But yeah, it did have some delays. Usually, it works pretty well. However, the latency was a bit higher than expected. So obviously, you can change the transcribing, the voice, the functions to see how the latency will be. Here in the logs you can see the logs, the call logs and transcriptions of what we were talking about. Right now the call was just that short, so we cannot actually go and see all the logs, but that's pretty much it, right? That's how you can create an AI voice agent. It's a really awesome way of creating an agent. Obviously, if you want like more in-depth tutorials on how to connect this and actually call other leads, check out our channel for more. And yeah, check out Vepi AI, link down below in the description, to understand, or try it out for yourself. So thank you.